Morning traders, and this is your Dax daily review. So we have a bit of incorrect data on here, so we didn't end up with an inside pin bar, but we ended up with an inside green bar. So this red line here is where we actually closed. So that was around 11,977, somewhere around there, not down here. Okay, so kind of in two minds with this one at the moment, because we have broken through, but the question in my mind is really, have we had this 1, 2, 3 correction move, and now we're looking for another move to the upside, or are we looking to come down and test this level again of 11,831? Bear in mind that there's a gap here, so there's a gap just below, right over there. Okay, there's actually two gaps to the downside. If we look at the 4 hour, you can see we're kind of hovering on this 200 moving average at the moment. And I think that's going to be the cue today, if we can get below that or we stay above it. If we get below it, then I expect this to continue. Now, this here is really a channel. Okay, there's our channel. So I do expect this channel to continue. Okay, until we get above this area here, which is 12,200 or 12,210. That's the area that I'll be watching for breakout. Okay, so if we look at the 1 hour, nothing really going on here. We've got this move to the upside. We've broken through the alligator, but there's not much conviction here. So we do have this gap here, and then obviously we've got this gap to the downside. So I'm kind of expecting it to find some resistance somewhere, and I think it may be in this area where we are now. So this could be the entry for the short, or alternatively the top of this channel. So if we do get above the high of yesterday, then I would expect us to get to the top of the channel, and then I'd be looking for a short entry over here. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. It's not filled with much conviction, because there's a lot of confusion happening in the market at the moment. So I think for me, it's just proceed with caution, drill down to your lower time frames, and have a look at what's going on there. You can see this was just profit taking here. You had, if you look at this, very little move through the European session. Yeah, not much conviction at all. And then the rally with the US, and then the sell-off or the profit taking at the top. But there's a lot of equal amounts of red and green bars, which is always an indication that market's kind of in limbo. Okay, so anyway, that's my view for today. I think these two levels that we've got in here, which is 12, it's going to be a bit higher than that, but pretty much the high of yesterday. So 12,020 and 11,977. Those are the two levels to watch. Break below here, I think we're going to get a move to the downside, but do get all your diagonals in, because Dax loves trading with diagonals. Okay, so obviously we need to break below this diagonal, look to left for the nearest fractal, and there it is there. Okay, so bear in mind that could also be an area where buyers step in, because it was used as resistance, and we've broken through, so it could be coming back to test here. If this level holds, that is pretty much bottom of the current mini channel within the bigger channel. Then you're looking for a long to the top of the channel, and this area all the way up here at around 12,080 is the area you'd be looking for your short entry. Bounce off the top of the channel, and then see if you can get to the bottom of the channel, or if it starts forming a base, a higher low inside the channel, then that's your indication that the channel is about to break to the upside. Okay, I know it's pretty messy with all those lines, but those are kind of the levels you need to watch, and that's the reality of this market at the moment. Very confused. Anyway, hope that helps, and I'll catch you later. Keep those stops tight. Cheers for now.